Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. How are you? I hope you will be all right and having fun at your home. Welcome to your English class. Open your OPE book, page number 21. We are studying Unit 4, Lesson 3. It is the fourth exercise of Lesson 3. In previous video, we studied that there was a thief in Broad Street who stole the things of the people in Aston Broad Street. Now, in this article, we will know that people got all the things, but police cannot catch the thief. Now the things are reached to their owners carefully, but the question is why the police cannot catch the thief. I think the thief is very dangerous. Police must be afraid of the thief. So let's read the article and know how the people found the things and who is the thief. After reading the article, we have to answer the question. These two questions: who found the stolen things and why can the police catch the thief? So let's read it first. The people in Broad Street have found the thief, but the police cannot catch him. Dan Beth told this story to our reporter. I was playing football near the empty house in Broad Street with my friend Dave Briggs. We were using the door of the garage as our goal. Dave kicked the football too high. It landed on the flat roof of the garage and a big magpie flew away. Oh my God. I climbed up the apple tree next to the garage and onto the roof to get the football. It was next to the magpie's nest. In the nest, there were 2 eggs and some other things, including necklace and a watch. Oh my God, it means the thief was the magpie. So he is Dan Beth who found the things from the magpie's nest. Now, what is a magpie? Magpie is a bird from Corvidae family, crow family. It is very intelligent bird. डियर स्टूडेंट्स मैगपाई एक बर्ड है, वो कौवे की तरह होता है, कौवे की फैमिली से ही है। ये मैगपाइज बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट होती हैं। इनका कलर ब्लैक और वाइट होता है। कभी कभी यूरोप में इनका ये ब्लू और ब्लैक भी होता है। ये मैगपाइज ठंडे इलाकों में पाई जाती हैं। यू कैन सी हियर इज अ मैगपाई. इट्स लुक लाइक अ क्रो because it is from a crow family. Can you see that? Its color is black and white, little bit blue. Here is the blue black magpie. How beautiful it is, but it's very intelligent bird. You can see that it stole the things of the people in Broad Street. This is the common magpie found in Europe. Its color is black and white. The blue magpie, sometimes found in Australia, Europe, in other European countries. Also, these magpies are found in our Pakistan, Ladakh, Tibet. Now come to the lesson and read. I was very surprised, so I went and told my dad. So Dan is saying that he was very surprised and he told about these things his dad. He came and collected the things from the nest. Oh, Dan called his dad and his dad collected all the things from the nest. Then he called the police. A zookeeper explained to a reporter, magpies love bright things. Oh, so it means a shining necklace and shining hairband. Magpies loves bright things. They often collect them for their nest. Oh, it means magpie decorate its nest with bright things. So the police told our reporter, we have given all the things back, but people must be careful. They mustn't leave bright things next to open windows. The problem is this is one thief we can't catch. Oh, how they will catch it? It's a magpie. Ha ha ha. We cannot catch a magpie because it fly in the sky. Do you know, students, animals are very intelligent, sharp, and smart. They stole things from the people and they snatch things from the hands of people. So, just like monkeys, monkeys are very smart. Whenever you go to the zoo, you will always find that written on the board, be careful of monkeys. Monkeys always snatch things from the people and they make mimicry of people. When you tease them, they will take revenge to you, so be careful of monkeys. Also, fox. Fox is a very smart animal. It has a very sharp mind. There are so many stories on fox. Hence proved animals have mind, but they cannot talk, and they shows their smartness with actions. Dear students, read the article again and complete this exercise. Follow my instructions. Write the sentences in correct order in your notebook. ये जो sentences दिए गए हैं ये आपको सही तरीके से लिखने हैं. ये ऊपर नीचे लिखे हुए हैं. आपको पहले लिखना है कि पहले क्या चीज़ आ रही है, उसके बाद में क्या चीज़ आएगी. तो ये आपको अपने नोटबुक में लिखना है. Just like this. The first sentence is, here is the example. Although it's 3, but when we write in a correct order, we will write that the thief stole some things from the houses in Broad Street. First thing, it will become the first sentence. So, dear student, it is just like a story. You have to complete a story in correct order. So, the first sentence is the thief stole something from the house in Broad Street. And after that, the people told the police there was a thief. Dear student, just like this, you have to make these sentences in correct order. First, we have to write the thief stole something from the houses in the Broad Street. The people told the police there was a thief. Now ahead you have to write more sentences and complete the story, and write sentences in your neat and clean writing. And dear students, do your homework carefully. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.